Hi children, today we are going to see the topic from money and credit in 9th standard geography. In this topic we are going to discuss about the barter system. Barter system. Ancient man hunted and gathered food. He lived in caves and forests. In later stages, he invented weapons for hunting and gathering food. Later, he invented fire and learned to practice agriculture. He used mud to build houses and settle down in a place and also to make earthenware. Yes, we know very well about the history of early man. In the small classes, we could have studied about this early man story. Yes, in the initial stage, he started to hunt the animals and try to gather the food wherever he went. But later on, he started to know about the mm, nature and he want to prevent about from the nature, so he started to live in caves and forest. But in later stages he wanted to hunt the animals with the help of the weapons, so he invented weapons for hunting and gathering food. At the later stage he invented fire and learned to practice agriculture. Finally, he started to live in a community. He used the mud to build the houses, and instead of staying in caves, he started to live in the mud house and settle down in a place and also to make earthenware. Earthenware is nothing but the pot or something else which is made from the mud. When the agriculture yield was high, they made handicrafts. When there was surplus in agriculture produce and other articles like earthenware, they exchanged it with people who needed them. For example, if a community had excess foodstuff, they would exchange that with those who had excess pots. Yes, in the previous slide we have seen about the early man, how he hunted and gathered food and finally he settled in a mud house. So when they started to settle in a house, they formed the community. While they formed the community, there is a need for exchange of articles. So when the farmer who is doing the agriculture work, he started when he is having the excess of quantity, he started to exchange with some other articles or to buy something else. In the same condition for the other people also. If they had pots in an excess quantity, they started to exchange for food grains. So like that, the exchange of goods for goods was started in ancient time. Likewise, when a particular grain grew in abundance in a region, it was exchanged for a different crop in another region. Yes, the ancient man, the early man started to live as a community. So the food, the grains which they cultivated, when it is in a excess quantity, when it is very surplus, it is exchanged to the another group of people. These articles were exchanged through barter system can be termed as the first form of trade. So barter system means what children? Yes, the exchange of goods for goods. There is no money transaction at all. So they started to exchange the goods for goods. So this is considered as the first form of trade. Thank you children.